bright light. Don't you turn on me now, you bastards. And that's it. Oh, they are. Dark visor down. We have a dark visor situation. Which is quite rare. It will not stop bloody raining. Oh my god. Yeah, I couldn't believe the luck of yesterday. I turned my back for... Hold on. Hold on. Stay there. Thank you, sir. I looked out the window before going to work and it looked fine. I got my gear on, went back again, and it was pissing hard. And then it didn't stop almost for the rest of the day. Okay, so why is that steaming up? I've zeiced this morning, you bastards. Come on, you should be working. Don't tell me Zeiss has got an expiration date on it. I hate my new parking space. Not happy at all with it. But I cannot afford the bloody parking fine. What was it? 1,300 crowns. That is the equivalent, I think, of about 101 quid or $137. Jeez. I think they were making up for lost time. The final twist of the knife and salt in the wound was on the parking ticket. There you get a QR code, yeah, that you just scan in, and it takes you directly to bank payment or bank card payment. Or the alternative that we've got over here is an app called Swish. I think there's an equivalent in England. I might have talked about it before, not sure. Oh, that sun's going to go straight in my eyes, isn't it? So you've got those two alternatives. Other than that, you have to manually go into your bank and blah blah blah, you know, and type it all in. But they want to use that application, they want another 19 crowns, which is, I don't know, just under 2 quid or something. So definitely the final twist of the knife. Yeah, just weird how that's come up now after that amount of time parking there, and people not giving a damn. Like I said, I've come out before in the mornings sometimes and I've seen parking tickets on various other places, on various other people around me, so I know that parking attendants have been around. And they've sort of let it slide that I was parking there because it's up out of the way. It doesn't interfere with anybody. You literally have to walk off the path and over to it to be like a, I'm going to say hindrance. I mix up my languages so much, I don't know if hindrance is a bloody English word or a Swedish word now. Trust yourself, Stephen. Use the force. So, but that's what they put on the parking ticket, that it was a hindrance to people. I thought, you lying bastards. But technically they're correct, so I am actually up on the pavement, so there's no fighting it. Oh, look at all this fog. Oh, you beauty. Quick, dark visor down. Let's see if we can get... Oh, look at that. Except I can't, because I'm steaming up. It's too moist. What a word. Change gear, Stephen. I always do that. Come over there in fifth, and because I get so sort of zonked on the view, I forget to change up to sixth. What a wally. But yeah, we're back to rain tomorrow, and well, according to the conspiracy apps. And then all day Saturday as well, but Sunday it might be that we've got a bit of a break. It looks like it's going to be quite nice. Right, no cars. I want to have a look here again. A decent one. Yeah, look. You can see it's almost completely gone. It was that whole area there, but it's all just... That water there is about, what, inch deep? So it's not even a month. It's completely bloody gone. What a waste of time. Scandalous. Haha, could that be it? No, I know what it is. I haven't zoiced my dark visor, have I? You muppet. My fault again. Beautiful morning though. I can't complain. Yes I can! Yes I can complain. I'll find something to complain about. One of the joys of getting old. Oh God, I wish that would show up all on the camera. That would be quite a thing, wouldn't it? For like DJI cameras. So for an action camera, that you could actually have, let's say, like a little screen here with a zoom button, so that you could actually, like with your thumb, zoom in. Although I don't know how good that is for riding and keeping your eye on the road. I don't know. That probably is about the equivalent of using a bloody mobile telephone. It'd be a pretty cool feature though. I know they do have like zoom buttons, but you have to be holding them. You can't do that when you're a man of action. Da, da, da. That's nice. That sun's just gone behind a little cloud, so I'm getting like 60% of it, but not the blinding effect. Come on, folks, what you got there? Nothing coming out. Shooter coming out. Woohoo! Spirit and soul levels rising. See, the wheat is starting to change colour. It's getting browner, more golden. So the period of dust bowls will be coming soon, because once they do the harvest, and you know how windy it gets here, you get all the chaff and the dried out soil turning into dust bowls, and you can get just clouds and clouds of dust across here on this motorway. Right, giving plenty of warning. Oh, I haven't got my fucking lights on. My epoxy halogen lamp on there. I'm going to have to look for that LED upgrade. But it's difficult trying to find one that actually has a certificate. And I don't know what they mean by bloody certificate. That I was mentioned to in the MOT. There is an LED, two types of LEDs that you can use, but it has to have a certificate with it, unless they just mean proof of what it is. All right. Naughty, naughty, very naughty. There's quite a chill there actually, which is nice. So I might bore it. Ndub 809. Ndub. Alright, what a pretty sky. Yeah, it's definitely chillier here. Oh, I'm steaming up again. Right. We'll have to order some more, I think. More ice on the order. Those bottles are pretty bloody empty. I think they're only like 100 millilitres. Oh, look at that. Lovely silvery effect. Well, drop a gear. Thing with this this Vulcan, she does get a bit chunky when you get down just under 4,000 revs in top gear. This car's come up on me pretty quick. Yeah, well, I'm not going any faster, so you can bloody overtake if you want. I can go faster, but I'm not going to. Too many aminals that cross this road. Had a pheasant do like a suicide mission the other day. Or kamikaze, should I say. I'll probably get bloody flagged for that. Oh, you mentioned one of those naughty words in your YouTube video. Right, another commute done for this one. Catch you later, folkies.